Step 1. Pick an editing tool. Before creating any art short, you need a tool. There are options like iMovie, DaVinci Resolve, or Adobe Premiere, but for quick and easy shorts, I use CapCut. It's free, supports vertical video, has built-in subtitles, and is fast to learn. Once you pick a tool, stick to it, and focus on making the video, not learning new software. Step 2. Download and install the editing tool. Download CapCut. First, open Google and type, "Download CapCut Desktop." Click the link that says, CapCut Download Vertical Bar CapCut Desktop version, and download the app. Once it's installed, you'll find CapCut in your Launchpad. This guide is for Mac, but the steps are similar for other types of computers, like Windows PCs. Step 3. Start using the editing tool. Once CapCut is installed, you can open the app and start using it immediately. When CapCut launches, you'll see the main screen, where you can create a new project and begin editing your video. Step 4. Set up the editing tool properties. On the right, go to the Details section and click Modify. Then choose Aspect Ratio and select 9:16 for shorts. Finally, click Save to apply the settings. Step 5. Import your material. Now you can start importing your material. I picked A Roman Holiday by Frank Skipworth. Find a high-resolution image online, like from Wikipedia. In CapCut, click Import and select your image. For the script and description, you can use Google or AI tools like ChatGPT to write a short note. I like using ChatGPT to help me quickly create the text. Step 6. Add text and captions. After importing the image, click the plus sign to add it to the timeline. Next, open the menu and click Text, then click the plus sign to add text. On the right side, you can adjust the font, size, and style. Once you're happy, click Save as Preset so you can reuse the same text style for other captions. Step 7. Set up the cover page. Now let's set up the cover page. On the left side of the timeline, click Cover and choose the image you want to use. Click Edit, select Text, and then click Add Title to add your title. You can also add a subtitle and adjust the font, size, and style. When you're happy, click Save. This will be your cover page. Step 8. Add music. Now let's add music. It's best to choose music from the YouTube audio library to avoid copyright issues. You can also ask ChatGPT for music suggestions. I chose a track called Water Lilies. Open the YouTube audio library, search for the title, download it, then import the file into CapCut and add it to the timeline. Step 9. Animate the image. Now we start editing the image. To make a static picture move like a video, use Transform at the start of the clip and set the scale and position. Then move the cursor to the end, adjust Transform again, and CapCut will create the motion. If you want part of the image to stay still, just keep the same scale and position. This is how you turn a photo into a movie-like shot. Step 10. Export the video. Once you finish editing your video, it's time to export it. From the top menu, click File, then choose Export. Give your video a name, choose where you want to save it on your computer, and confirm the settings. When you're ready, click Export and CapCut will save the final video to your disk, ready to upload. Last step, publish to YouTube. Now let's publish the video to YouTube. First, log into your YouTube account. Click the Create button, then choose Upload Videos. On the Upload screen, click Select Files, choose your video, and click Open. Follow the steps to add your title, description, and other details. At the final stage, choose the visibility. I usually set the video to unlisted first, so I can review it a few times. Once I'm satisfied, I change it to public and release the video.